स्टार्ट करते हैं। हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है दिलीप सिंह खर्रा और आज का ये जो वीडियो बनाने जा रहा हूँ, ये वीडियो है फॉर दोज हु आर गोइंग फॉर फ्लीट इंटरव्यू एट गुड़गांव। There are many of the students got selected yesterday and now they are going for the fleet interview examination. The first thing, the address is in Gurgaon and it is near to Huda City Center or near to IFCO Chowk. You have to go there. What are the things you have to carry? You have to carry your full file with your, in that file it should be very aligned Aadhaar card, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet if you have a result, and then your all the achievements with the same. And if any other curriculum activity you have done and you have a certificate, that also you have to keep it with that. If you have NC certificate, that also with the align with that your packet. Apart from this, you have to go in a purely formal dress with proper shaving or cutting. You have to wear tie, white shirt and black pant with black shoes, and shoes should be laced. And when you go there, there are many questions will be asked, but you have to be when you have filled the form, so you may have seen there are 7 points in that. So you have to follow those 7 points. I'll put it in this screenshot also. Go with proper heading one by one, and according to that you have to prepare yourself. Just like aptitude, your general appearance, your general knowledge. General knowledge may will be considered your India and you are from which state, that knowledge, India knowledge and world knowledge. In the world, you have to know about the ports, Indian major ports and the capitals of all the states, capitals of the all the countries, Suez Canal, Panama Canal, and number of oceans, number of continental, their names. These things you have to get prepared. All the best for your interview. And one more thing. Now, how you will get to know that you are going to be selected on that? Whoever pass the interview, they will take you for further psychometry. Means psychometry वही बच्चा कर रहा होगा जिस बच्चे का इंटरव्यू क्वालिफाई हुआ है. So with that you can get the things. All the best for your interview.